Good morning, students. Welcome to GM Dunda Primary School. Today we are going to learn about grammar, chapter 7th of standard 7th. So let us move ahead. The chapter name is Verb Expressing the Past. So from the chapter's heading only we can get the idea about basically the chapter is about expressing the past, but how the verbs that tells that it is a past tense. So we can read over here, read in the sentence that we went to the station at 7 a.m. So here we can see that went means it is a past tense. So here we can see that how verb express that the sentence is past tense, or it is in future tense, or it is in present tense. My cousin were arriving by train. Were arriving. Were means it's a past tense. They had written to us about their travel plans. Had is already a past tense. We had been waiting eagerly for their arrival. So here we can see that had been, so it is past tense again. So here we can see that there are four examples. Why these four examples? So the first example is simple past tense, second one is past continuous tense, third one is past perfect tense, fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. So these are the four examples of the different types of sentences in past. You can see that went, it is a simple past tense. Were arriving, you know, ing form means past continuous tense. Ing form is continuous and the were means past, that is means past continuous tense. Had written, that is had is past and written means past perfect continuous. Past perfect tense. And in the fourth one, had been waiting, so it includes past perfect continuous tense. So here we can understand about these four examples in details. The simple past tense, the table shown as how to use the simple past tense. Uses to talk about action that were started and completed in past. So you know, past tense is past means before the things that has happened before the present time. We flew kites on the terrace. Example, to show that something was true for some time in the past. He was the principal of our school for many years. So again a past tense, to indicate that action happened repeatedly in the past. They visited their grandparents during the holidays every year. To show a sequence of an event that happened in the past. I did my homework, ironed my uniform, packed my bags and then went out to play. In last line, it's often used with the expression that refers to the point of time in the past, such as last year, yesterday, few minutes ago, and so on. We participated in drawing competition in last week. So basically the simple past tense or past tense, you can say that it describes the things or action that have happened in past or few minutes ago, etc. So let us move on the second page. Simple past tense form. I hope you are able to see it clearly. Positive, based form of the verb. Okay, so you have to write here the base form of the verb plus d or ed for a regular verb or the correct past tense from the irregular verb. So the positive simple past tense, how does it forms? So there is a verb, base form of the verb. You can write base form of the verb plus d or ed for regular verb or the correct past tense for the correct past tense form for the irregular verb. Negative, did plus not. Please do mark. Did plus not plus base form of the verb. And in a question past tense, sometimes questions are asked also in past tense. So basically the questions are in the past tense. I hope everyone knows that. Did plus subject plus base form of the verb, or the question word plus did plus subject or the base form of the, there are two sequence. Question can be asked in the two sequence, that is did plus subject plus base form of the verb, or question word did plus subject plus base form of the verb. So let us study the past continuous tense over here. Just a second, I have to. Okay. Uses to refer the actions that was going on for a certain period of time in the past. I was waiting for the bus. To show that something happened while another action was still going on. I was sleeping when my father left for the office. So here is the two actions in the past that have been shown. One was going to happen, another one was something happened while other action was still going on. So which action was going on? That I was sleeping. Another action, something happened, that was my father left for the office. To show that an action happened repeatedly in this past. Jim was working on his book for a few months. Okay? To show change or a growth. We were preparing ourselves for the move to a newly city. To show change or a growth. Sometimes after we have changed something, to show that we were preparing ourselves for the move to a new city. So the past continuous tense forms, it is positive past tense, past continuous tense. Positive past continuous means was or were plus present participles form of the verb. Please do note this. Negative was or were plus not plus present participle of the verb. Question was and were plus subject plus present participant of the verb, or question word plus was or were plus subject plus present participle of the verb. Please note it down this in your Fabo. These points would be important. The points that are the simple past tense forms and the past continuous forms are to be remembered by you. That will make you easy to make the past tense. So let us move to the another section. The past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. So here they are telling the past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. There are two actions taken in the past, one after the other. I had locked the house before the telephone rang. So here are the two actions, and to combine the two actions, that I had locked the house before the telephone rings. Mehul came home to find that his mother had gone out. So there are two actions. One is Mehul came home, and another one is mother gone out. In the example, it is clear that one action was completed before the another action began. We use time word or a phrase such as already, by then, until, before, another, and so on with the verb in the past perfect tense. So we use all these phrases, word or phrases, to show use time words. Time means but obviously we are telling about the time in the past what we were doing. So here is the past perfect tense form. The past perfect tense forms positive Positive past perfect tense form, that is had plus past participle form of the verb. Simple. Negative, had plus not plus participle of form of the verb. Question, had plus subject plus participle form of the verb, or the question word plus had plus subject or plus past participle form of the verb. So please note it down, these two. Here we go on the next page. The past perfect continuous tense. Now all being together, we use the past perfect continuous tense to describe an action that continued over a period of time up to a point in the past. So it continued for a period of a time up to a point in the past. We had been jumping in the classroom when the teacher walked in. Lily had been walking in the park when it began to rain. So the action continues till the point in the past. Here we can see that the past perfect continuous form. So in the past perfect continuous form, positive sentences are made with had plus been plus present participle form of the verb. Please check over here. In before, it was past participle of the verb in the past perfect tense, but while we are going in past perfect continuous, here it would change with positive word had plus been plus present participle form of the verb. In negative sentence also, had plus not plus been plus present participle form of the verb. In question, had plus subject plus been plus present participle of the verb. And in question word plus had plus subject plus been plus present participle form of the word. Please note it down days, as it will be the minor difference over here. If you keep all these form of the tenses in your mind, it would be very easy for you to just make a sentence with the blink of eyes. So this is finally the end of our session, and if you feel any doubt or any queries, we will be resolving it into the school, and further will be forwarding you PDF for the exercises. Thank you students, do stay safe.